Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet a semicircle. In this video tutorial I will show you only first 9 rows. On my blog you can find more rows and how to make semicircle bigger. And regarding materials, I am using 3.5 millimeters and medium weight yarn. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the second chain from hook, make 2 single crochet. Then in next chain 2 single crochet, and in last one again 2 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Now into the first stitch make 1 single crochet, and then in next one make an increase 2 single crochet. And let's repeat 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. And for the last time 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Row number 3, 1 1 2 single crochet, so 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, and now 2 single crochet. And again 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, then 2 single crochet. And for the last time 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Row number 4, 1 1 1 3 times and 2 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, and now 2 single crochet. And again repeat 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, two single crochet. And for the last time, for the third time, 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, and into the last one 2 single crochet. That's what we have so far. Chain 1, turn, and row number 5, 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, and then 2 single crochet. And repeat 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches and 2 single crochet. And for the last time 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches and then 2 single crochet in next stitch. Chain 1, turn. Row number 6, 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches and then 2 single crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 single crochet. Then again 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 single crochet. And for the last time, 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches, and 2 single crochet in next stitch. Okay, from row number 6 I want to start. You see we have these angles already visible, so I want to make increases now in other places, so make those angles less visible. And I start with 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, then 2 double crochet. Now 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, then 2 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, and 2 single crochet. At the end we have 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches as at the beginning we did. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet. So 3 and 3, also 6. Chain 1 turn. Round number 8. Now we start right away with increase. 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. Again, 2 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. Again, 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. And the last one. Chain 1 turn. Row number 9. Start with 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. Then increase 2 single crochet. Now 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches, and again 2 single crochet. Once more, 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches, and now 2 single crochet. At the end, as at the beginning, we had 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. When you reach desired size of the semicircle, you can finish it just making 1 single crochet in each row. So 9 rows, 9 single crochet. I will make 10 here, just one more in center. I will add one more in center and then 10 on this side. So in total 20 or 18 will be fine as well. So just one single crochet in each row. Here. So let's count. 1, where is the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one I will form by joining the last stitch with the next one. Cut the yarn, thread the tail, and this is the next stitch just underneath both loops. Here is a knot from front to back, and then into the center of the last single crochet here. Great. The semicircle ready. Here is another one. If you want a bigger semicircle, please check my blog. There will be more instructions how to do it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you've really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!